Hello Excel users, welcome to our tutorial on mastering the format painter in Microsoft Word. If you have ever found yourself struggling with consistent formatting in your documents, then you are in the right place. First things first, open your Word document. Whether you are working on a report, essay, or any type of document, the format painter can be a real game changer. Now identify the text with the formatting you want to copy. This could include font styles, sizes, colors, or other formatting options. Click and drag your cursor over the text to select it. Great. Now let's locate the Format Painter button. You will find it in the Home tab in the Clipboard group. See that little paintbrush icon? That's the Format Painter button. Let's click on it to activate the magic. Fantastic. Your cursor has transformed into a miniature paintbrush and ready to carry the formatting magic. Now move your cursor to the text or paragraph where you want to apply the formatting. Click and drag over the target text. Release the mouse button. The formatting from the source text is applied to the target text. It's that simple. But hold on, we have got more tricks. If you have multiple places where you want the same style, here is a trick. Double click the format painter instead of clicking and dragging each time. This keeps the format painter on until you decide to turn it off. Suppose you have specific text with a different format and color that you want to replicate. Select the text. Use the double click trick to apply formatting to multiple locations without clicking each time. Speaking of turning it off, after you finish copying the style, press the escape key on your keyboard or click the format painter button again to deactivate it. Remember to turn off the format painter after formatting to prevent accidental changes. And don't forget, Format Painter isn't limited to text only. You can use it for paragraph formatting, including alignment, indentation, and line spacing. There you have it. A step-by-step guide to mastering the Format Painter in Microsoft Word. Experiment with different examples to make your Word experience more efficient and enjoyable. Thanks for watching and happy formatting.